We hope you enjoyed your onboarding call. We wanted to follow that up with a quick summary and just make sure you know where to find certain things and how to best use these tools to engage sellers, deliver listing options, create instant cash offers. So here's what we're going to do on this quick little summary. We're just going to start at the top, work our way down, and then we're actually going to go in on how best to use these tools. So at the top, we have your visitor report. This is where we track real-time visitors on your site, the address, name, email, phone number, how many times they've engaged with your emails, landing page, QR codes. We have custom home valuation links for this address, custom cash offer links for this address, and custom QR codes all built for you automatically. So every time a seller engages with any one of those tools that I just mentioned, we are capturing that data, and not just capturing the data, we're actually giving you tools to engage with them to convert. So your visitor and lead tracking is absolutely a crucial part when you're doing any kind of marketing or outreach. You want to know what's working, track those users, but also have the tools to engage with them. Now, here we have your properties. When you click your properties, this is where you have access to every property, whether a seller comes in through your website, landing page, email marketing, or whether you come up here and simply add a listing. Every property shows up in your dashboard. Sellers have custom dashboards, buyer agents have custom dashboards, and you in the middle are connected to everything. Now, within this property, you can do a lot of things. Everything we do is task driven. So if you wanted to request cash offers on a property, you hit request cash offers, select all the cash offer partners, hit go, and we deliver multiple instant cash offers to you. It is an absolutely awesome feature. Everything we do is designed to be 100% automating. From our cash offers, our bidding, our traditional options, everything we do is built to automate so you can scale your business. Let's go back and look at your task. Now, I'm in a test account, so there's a lot of tasks in here, but these tasks are designed just to make sure you don't have anything missing or you're not supposed to be doing anything on a property. So if you need to come in here to a specific property, you can hit request offers. It opens it up. You can request offers, go about your day. So tasks are a great way to make sure you're doing everything you need to move a property forward. And then you have your offers. Once again, I'm in a demo account, so we have a lot of offers on this property. Notice we track every offer down to the second for you. So as buyer agents are making offers to your properties, as iBuyers are coming in and making offers, we track everything down to the second. So in your offer report, you have a complete running history of every offer on every property. If you want to see what that property is, we can click on that. It opens up the property. You can look at your task, your offers, anything that you need to do. Once again, it's all designed to make engaging with sellers, following up, and converting easy. Now, let's come over here to your left-hand side. This is pretty simple. We're not going to spend a lot of time on it, but this is where you can edit and manage your holding domain. This is where you can add, remove, edit cash offer partners. Now, pay attention to this because down here, we talk about your personal buyer network. This is one of those features that's very, very powerful. And in fact, let me show you. If you click on your buyer network at top, this is where you can add your own personal local buyers, regional buyers, national buyers. You can add them into your system, or you can get a link and invite them into your system. And whenever you have a property where a seller wants cash offers, you can now send that property nationally and locally to your personal buyer list, all by clicking a button. It is absolutely awesome. Listing options. This is where you can turn on, turn off different listing options in your system. This is where you can control the design, look, and feel of all the content inside the options that you want to create. This is where you can also drag and drop the order of them. You're in complete control of the listing options that you want to offer and display to your sellers in your local market. And then we have your profile. Your profile is simply your information, right? We want to make sure that your information is displayed correctly to your seller in their dashboard on your email marketing, home valuation pages. So make sure your profile is up to date and looks awesome. And the last thing we have is quick links. Quick links are just that. They're shortcuts to your website, your custom offer portal, home valuation domains, and cash offer domains. These are all built for you, and they're just designed to take you quickly where you want to go. Now, let's get into some of our marketing tools, okay? And this is where we're going to start talking about best practices just a little bit. But the first thing we want to do is kind of run through what these marketing tools are. Landing pages. Our landing pages are awesome. They're built for you and they're powerful. And if you want to know why they're powerful, watch this. I'm going to click on a landing page. I'm going to type in an address and watch what happens here. We're immediately going to pull this property up inside of your website, right? It's all branded, customized, local to you. We're going to gather options, fetch offers, create values, and look at what you give sellers instantly. Notice I did not ask the seller a question. I did not make the seller create an account. I did not make the seller log in. You have to lead with value first and look at the value you bring to the table. 1, instant data. 2, multiple data sets built for that seller where they can engage with the value of their home. 3, instant cash offers, right? We connect you to the best of the best in the cash offer world. And 4, listing options, which you get to create, design, and customize for your business. This is what sellers want. This is what they expect. And this is how our email marketing, our landing page, when we add our functionality to your website, this is exactly the experience that you can create for your seller. Now, these landing pages are awesome because you can actually customize anything you want to, from adding video, right? You can control the content. You can change the images on your pages. Everything is customized by you at the click of a button. And on every landing page, we give you a QR code where you can use these on flyers, business cards, whatnot, and deliver sellers the automated experience that they're looking for. So our landing pages take a little bit of a different spin in terms of marketing. Now, one of our best marketing tools we have built into our platform is our email marketing automation. So what you're going to do on this is you're going to come in here and select the CRM you're using. Okay. Let's just pretend we're a KV Core user. Well, we give you 3 things. 1, we give you the custom call to actions built for KV Core. Meaning, if you already have emails in your KV Core site that you really like, what you need to do is add the right call to action. So you'll go into KV Core, you'll copy this, and what you'll do is go into the emails and say, home seller, to view your house, click here. You'll take this link and put it behind the click here words. And when a homeowner clicks this link, their house is going to open up immediately in your website and look just like this right here. No questions, no registration, just pure value up front. We don't just stop at the links though. We actually give you all of the email templates. So if you're using KV Core, once again, come in here. You can simply copy this email. Notice it's built custom for KV Core. Copy it, paste it in KV Core, and done. This link is custom to KV Core. These merge fields are custom to KV Core. And in a matter of about 5 minutes, you can have about 25 emails in KV Core ready for you to engage your database with on an ongoing basis. We don't just stop on emails though. We also give you all of our SMS templates. Our SMS templates are what we call bump text. They're designed to call attention to the emails that you're sending. And these bump texts generate a lot of conversations. So you can see from email marketing, database engagement, lead engagement, connect to any CRM that you want to. We have all the automations and the call to action and the results already completely built for you. Now, one of the most popular ways to use iList is not just our marketing CRM integrations, not our landing pages, but we like to add iList directly to your personal website. So if you're using KV Core, Sierra, Lofty, right, any one of the main CRMs out there, we can actually add our functionality to the home page of your website. The reason we do this is most websites are not built for sellers. They're built for buyers. And the seller engagement you probably have is not very good, right? And we have to do better. We have to deliver a better seller experience. And that's what we can add directly to your website. So look how easy this is. Click edit, give us the domain of your website, tell us who the provider is, and our team actually goes in and builds it out for you. That way, not only do you have access to all of our marketing engagement tools, but we also add it directly to your website. Now, let's assume that you don't have a website, or maybe you don't like the one you have, or you don't have a CRM, right? We actually give you custom websites and CRMs built behind everything we do. If you want to add our websites and CRMs, click edit, right? Select what you would like to add. Select your template of your website. Don't worry, you can customize these and change them at any given time. Hit save. Once again, it takes our team about 2 days. We actually build out a custom website and CRM for you, and all of your iList functionality, seller automation, is pre-built into the website for you. It is absolutely amazing. Now, if you want to explore all of our other marketing tools, you can come down here, click open, and you have access to some of our preferred lead providers. You have access to thanks.io, Mailbox Power. If you're doing anything with direct mail, you need to check these guys out because we put a unique spin on it. We take the QR codes that are built onto postcards, right? And we put dynamic links behind them. So every time your homeowner scans a QR code, their house opens up automatically in your world. It is an amazing engagement tool. So we have a lot of functionality in our marketplace that you can come in and explore. So now, let me show you how all of this ties together. I'm going to come in here to this property where we searched a while ago, and I'm just going to assume that I want to get cash offers on it, okay? I'm going to click Explore Cash Offers. This is the first time we ever ask a seller for any information. They know who you are. They see the value you add. They've already adjusted their value. They've already played with offers. So now it's really easy to get them to go forward. So we're going to come in here and call this test seller. We're going to call this test seller dot. Okay, and so a seller is going to come in here and register. Now, you give sellers 24/7 access to their own custom dashboard. This is a really powerful feature because when you give sellers something, they're a lot less likely to go look for it, right? So we give them a dashboard. You're at the center of the transaction. This seller wanted cash offers. They can simply click a button, answer the questions on their property. Let me just answer some of these just really quick for us. And I'm going to show you how this cash offer world works really, really quick here. Once again, this is a lot of stuff that we went over during onboarding. This is designed to be a recap for you here. I'm not going to add any photos for an example's sake. And your seller can say, yes, I would like offers. Now, the most important thing here, notice your seller did not receive any offers. Why? Because we want those offers to come to you and from you to the seller. It's how we keep you at the center of the transaction. Okay? So now a seller has their dashboard. They were able to request offers. They can view their values, photos, documents. Really amazing tools for sellers. But let's go back to your dashboard as an agent. Let's do two things real quick. Let's go to the visitor report. Because when I click on visitor, look, here we are, Paradise Valley, test seller. Clicked on it 13 times. Here's all my custom links. And if I go to my properties, look what we have sitting right here. Paradise Valley, test seller. They wanted cash offers. You as an agent did not have to lift a finger, right? Everything we do is automated, designed to bring sellers to you. Now, let's go in and let me show you how easy it is to move a property forward. So regardless if it's traditional, free, bidding, right? Our amazing options, everything we do is driven by task. Come into your task. You can assign this to different agents on your team if you like. You can review all the cash offer details in this case. You can update it if you feel something needs to be updated. Really, really easy to kind of QC this before you send it out for offers. And now look at this, request offers. I can take this property, send it out to Easy Street, Zoodealio, Open Door, OfferPad, Zoom Casa, my personal buyer list, simply by clicking one button. So check this out. We're going to send it out to Zoodealio real quick. We're going to give it our little countdown. And look at that. I've got 3 offers sitting right here, ready to go. Think of the value that you can add to your clients when you can pretty much guarantee multiple offers on their house within 1 day. Now, these offers, your seller does not see these offers until you share it with them. So if you open up this offer here, you can see all of the details. You can see all the notes on the offer. And if you want to share it with your seller, you can just type them a note. Hey, seller, congratulations, et cetera, pass to seller. Now your seller just received this one offer. So if I go to your seller dashboard, here you go. The one offer sitting right there. If you want to share the rest of the offers, open them up, share them. If you want to compare offers, hit compare, grab 1 or 2 offers here, compare, it puts them side by side, and you can even add your own version of an offer in here. Once again, things that you might already be doing as an agent, we just make fast and easy for you in one place. You can also put properties in multiple offers, select highest and best, pick your due date when you want offers back by, type in a note to the agents and hit go. It'll actually update these offers to highest and best, and you can manage multiple offers. So everything we do is driven with that mindset of how can we give you the best of the best seller engagement marketing tools? How can we allow sellers to come to you? And how can we allow you to actually deliver what the seller wants? Last thing I'm going to show you, let's just say you want to add your own personal listing in here. Well, instead of going through your website's email marketing, you can just click on add listing, type in the address, select the listing type, and invite the seller in. When you do that, a brand new property is going to show up here, and the seller is going to get an invite to their personal dashboard. And now you can automate everything you do. Let's wrap up by going back to your dashboard now. And I want to go to your quick links, because one of our really big features we have here at iList is our offer portal. So regardless if you're using cash offers, traditional, bidding, FSBO, listed by owners, right? We give you a custom offer portal built on your domain, your logo. So buyers and buyer agents, if they want to come in here, they can view your property in custom marketing links, and they can also click a button and make an offer on that property. A buyer agent registers, they type in their offer terms, and guess what? You're notified you have a brand new offer on that property. And inside your dashboard as an agent, you would now see offers from buyer agents sitting right here as well. So your offer portal is not just for iBuyers and cash offers. It's actually to make it to where you can scale your listings, contracts, and close business by having an offer portal featuring all of your listings where buyers and buyer agents can click on a property, view it, make an offer directly to you. All of that is built directly into your offer, your iList dashboard. So come in, explore. We'll send you some updated emails on features and best practices, but we wanted to do a recap of the onboarding call so you know how to control your settings. You know how to access the marketing tools that we have, right? And here's my best practices tips. Get your landing pages set up, add them to every email that you have, use them on social media, use the QR codes on your business cards, right? These are powerful landing pages. Number 2, go into your CRM, add our email marketing functionality. If you need help on this, let our team know. But this is probably one of the highest ROI marketing features you have access to as an agent. This is going to churn your database. This is going to churn and activate new leads for you. It's going to create opportunity, right? It is one of the biggest values we have. And then adding it to your website, creating a website, those are great, but these are what's going to drive new business to you. This mixed in with the cash offers, instant values, listing options is where you can really start adding benefit to your database. So play with this. If you have questions, let us know. By the way, we have an amazing support team. We have great support guides. Search anything you want. We actually have details, documents, and videos on everything that we do. So we think that'll add massive value to you. But if you have any questions, you need anything, let us know. We'll talk soon.